Make use of old laptop adapters for audio amplifiers and subwoofer boxes, using LM2596S voltage regulator module. Laptop adapters usually give 16 to 19 volts output with a current rating of 4.5 amps DC. Wire an LM2596S module board as shown in the diagram, and connect a voltmeter to adjust the output voltage as desired, example 5 volts, 6 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 16 or 24 volts, by turning the trim pot. If you want to draw continuous power at 3 amps, attach a good heatsink over the regulator IC. This gives most stable filtered ripple-free DC supply to the audio amplifiers, subwoofer boxes, or lights. The module accepts wide voltage input from 3 to 40 volts, and gives regulated output of 1.5 to 35 volts.